Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is all about harnessing the power of ChatGPT to generate real income. Whether you're a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or simply someone looking for extra cash, let's dive into how you can tap into this incredible tool. ChatGPT is a versatile text-based system capable of producing human-like text. But how do you turn that capability into actual profit? Here are some popular methods. Freelance writing and copywriting. Offer writing services to clients who need blog posts, articles, or marketing copy. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, generate first drafts, and refine your work before sending it off. Blogging and affiliate marketing. Create blog posts with ChatGPT's help and include affiliate links for relevant products. Consistently post quality, search engine optimized content to earn through affiliate commissions or sponsored posts. Social media content creation. Offer businesses social media management services. Develop captions and schedule posts using ChatGPT to maintain a steady flow of fresh content. Ebook and course creation. Organize your expertise into an ebook or online course. Use ChatGPT to outline topics, structure chapters, and craft lessons to sell on platforms like Gumroad or Teachable. You can use ChatGPT in 3 main ways to maximize income. Idea generation and brainstorming. Overcome writer's block by getting topic ideas or creative angles. Explore new areas or niches you hadn't considered. Efficient drafting and editing. Get instant first drafts, then invest time in refining each piece. Balance speed and quality to handle more projects without sacrificing polish. Customer support and consultation. Sell specialized prompts or offer ChatGPT consulting sessions. Use your industry expertise to guide clients in leveraging ChatGPT effectively. Tips for success. To really stand out, remember, personalize the output. Add your own voice. ChatGPT supplies the foundation, but your insight keeps it human and relatable. Proofread everything. Always check the final text for accuracy and consistency. Focus on niche markets. Target specific audiences to differentiate yourself in competitive spaces. Stay updated. Keep an eye on platform updates, including official announcements and new features. Try out these methods and see which ones align with your skills and goals. If you make progress or find success, share your experiences in the comments so we can all learn from each other. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips on tech, entrepreneurship, and monetization. Thanks for watching and keep innovating.